Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you all how to crochet a simple crochet hat like this. Guys, let's go straight to our point of our hat. So here are my equipments, my crochet hook, my needle and my scissors. So I'm going to use the broken white. So the first thing I'll begin to create my hat is I'm going to make a chain. I'm going to make a chain of 10. That's 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. So I make one so that I'll walk on top of it. So on top of the chain I'm going to work on single stitches back. I'm going to crochet single stitches all back to my chain. So that's my first row. So the first thing, you make your chain. On top of the chain you crochet your single stitches on top of the chain. So I go to the next row. The next row I'm going to crochet again another 10 single stitch. So I'm just going to be working on single stitches on top of this chain. See, I am having a square. So for now my main purpose is to come up with a square. So I'm just going to be working just on single stitches. So obviously I'm working on 10 single stitches, so I also need to work on 10 rows. 10 rows is going to create a square. So when you are crocheting, guys, you just have to be careful. You make sure you have this, the sides, they should be straight up. So in order to make the side to be straight up, you make sure not to increase any stitches, any single stitch, or decrease. So when you find it difficulties to be making your work to be straight, I will advise you to always count. You can count your stitches that you're working on. Each row you can be counting. You make sure each row is 10 10 10 10 10 10 as you go up. So I continue going, guys. Very soon I'm going to be there. So when I finish this, there's one more row left. There's one more row left. This is the last row. Then I'm going to change my work. So here I go. So you can see here is my small square that I'm having. So the next thing is I'm going to take my work like this. So I'm going to turn it this way. On top of this my hook, I'm going to put, that's 1 2 3 4. I've put 4 of the yarn on top of the stitch. So the next thing, I'm going to target the middle part of my square. Then I'm going to work on 1 2 3, that's 4 double stitch, come back in the same hole, so in this particular hole I'm going to put 10 of these 4 double stitches. So this 1 2 3 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. You can see you have tagged all the 10 in the same hole in the middle. So the next thing you do is you come this way and you are going to make a slim stitch like this. You make a slim stitch like that. So here again you are going to target the middle and you are going to do the same thing, the 4 double stitches on this side. So I begin. So here is the middle, so I'm going to begin there. I'm going to put 10 of these same stitches in that very hole there. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and the last 10. So the next thing I do is I'm going to come on this side. I'm going to make a slim stitch, then I'll cut my yarn. So you can see So that's my hat. You can imagine how easy it is to fix. That's my hat. That's my hat, guys. So please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel, guys. Thanks for watching.